Hello, we are Group 7 and welcome to our hazardous destination sites throughout the planet Earth virtual tour. We will start from Pasadena and go to the Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin is located in South America. The Amazon Basin is 40% of the South American continent. An interesting fact about the Amazon Basin is that it is the longest river in the world, and since it is wide, it has a lot of tributaries, and this river transfers the most amount of water than any other river. This map shows the pattern of rainfall in the Amazon Basin. Rainfall decrease in the Amazon Basin is due to warmer temperatures. Currently, the most visible cause is deforestation, when forest areas are cleared out, meaning trees are cut and current inhabitants displaced so that people can use the land for something else. The precipitation in the Amazon Basin supports the Amazon rainforest, which, according to the World Wildlife Foundation, contains 90 to 140 billion metric tons of carbon. If we continue to ignore the decrease in precipitation in this area, the forest will not thrive and the carbon will be released into the atmosphere, causing global damage. Since deforestation is caused by people's actions, we can work toward finding a compromise that benefits both the environment and human advancement. From the Amazon Basin, we will head over towards the Yangtze River. The Yangtze River is located in Shanghai, China. This river is considered to be a dividing line between North and South China. This is a pattern of floods occurring from the Yangtze River in Shanghai, China. China is located near the Eastern Sea where heavy rain and thunderstorms can create immense amounts of water. Floods are created by several different natural causes. For example, heavy rain, tsunamis, and storm surges. The Yangtze River is the largest river in China, having floods in the past that have left heavy damages around the area and can become hazardous. Floods cannot be stopped or be decreased in size because it is something that happens in nature, especially in areas near water. The only thing that can be done is to try to protect ourselves and our homes by knowing when and where it might hit. It would be a good idea to have alerts around the area before it happens, that way we are ready. Our last and final stop will be at the San Andreas Fault in Southern California. The San Andreas Fault goes through California from the Salton Sea from the south and goes up north to Cape Medicine, more closely to the coastal areas in cities like San Francisco, San Bernardino, Palmdale, and Palm Springs. In total, it runs 810 miles and it can be seen from space. This is a pattern of the earthquakes and their magnitudes in Southern California. The cities that are being affected by earthquakes are located by the San Andreas Fault. The San Andreas Fault is responsible for earthquakes because it is located between two tectonic plates, the North American plate and the Pacific plate. And when these two plates get stuck while they're moving past each other, rock breaks and slips and the plates move. And the movement in turn causes the earth to move, thus earthquake. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates rubbing up against each other, which is a natural process and something we cannot control. However, with today's technology, we can have seismic stations to track movement and help predict when one will likely happen.
I think you should just
Hope you enjoyed our virtual tour around the planet.